What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Throttle Response Media and episode 3 of the WRX build series. So today we got another part for you guys, and it is this right here. So as you can see, we got the Grimmspeed on the tape right there. So a little bit of background, guys. Grimmspeed, actually a couple weeks ago, they released information on their group buy. Okay, so it's an engine bay kit, and it's a new color for their engine bay kit. This one is the acid green. It's like as close as you can get to acid green, which is the OEM color for the brake calipers on the STIs. The 2016, is it 17 plus, something like that? STIs have the acid green brakes, so you can get them with that. But this is the engine bay kit for it, and this isn't just some random color I'm throwing on the car. This is going to be a theme somewhat for the car. We'll talk a little bit more about that in later episodes, but yeah, super excited to get these on. So what I'm going to do now, put that box on the ground, and we'll get a little unboxing video for you guys. And also at this moment, you can't get these parts for the group buy price anymore. Of course, that actually ended. I think it was a couple days ago. But you still can get these parts on Grimmspeed's website, just not at the discounted price, which was a really good price. If you did miss out on it, it was a great price. So yeah, definitely super excited to have these, and I think they might have put some goodies in the box too, so I'm excited to see what else they put in there, if anything. I don't know, but we will see. So I'm gonna set the camera up on a tripod and be right back. Guys, so let's go ahead and get this opened up, and you can see a little picture of everything that's in there right there. It should consist of the alternator cover, radiator cover, fender shrouds, and yeah, all that stuff. So let's see what we got. So this guy, stickers. Let's just go ahead and get to the good stuff though. Oh man. Oh wow. Check this out. Ooh, here go the goodies I was talking about. So this is a Grimmspeed window banner. I think I'm just gonna throw this on. Probably not keep it on the car, but I'll throw this on for a little bit. I think that'd be kind of fun to have on the windshield, but whatever. Also, oh man, guys, check it out. Got the Grimmspeed radiator shroud right there. Beautiful piece, so nice. Super good build quality. Yeah, this is great. Wow. So, also, this is some trim for something. Not too sure what this ceiling is going to be for. But yeah, I'm going to lay all this stuff out on the ground and then do a little cinematic montage of it all, let you guys see all the details and stuff like that, and then get back to the video. So hold on one second, enjoy this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so everything is installed. Looks pretty good. Check it out again. That really nice build quality on everything. Everything looks super good. Had a little bit of trouble with the fitment on just the fender shroud pieces. Those gave me a little bit of trouble for some reason. But overall, I got everything on there very good. I do have the old bolts on there, which I am going to be changing out pretty soon. Get some nicer ones, probably from I forget what that dress up company is called. Dress Up Bolts. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna get some new stuff from there. But overall, guys, look at it from a distance. Gosh, that green pops. It looks so good. So yeah, overall, I am super excited that I saw that message from Grimmspeed that they were doing the group buy on these, and I got the great discount price. And they're awesome. Like, this is great. Definitely adds a lot of pop to the engine bay. It looks super good, super clean. So yeah, I'm excited to get some more pieces to kind of match that too. And yeah, I might go ahead and put the window banner on. Not sure yet, or I might wait till maybe this weekend to do that. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned to the channel for episode 4 of the WRX build series, guys. Peace.